Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to do a proxy setup in your IntelliJ and then proxy setup for your Maven build. Why we need to do a proxy settings? If you work for any companies, they won't allow you to directly connect to a centralized Maven repository. Instead, every company have their own repository, so we must connect to their repository to pull the jars for our projects. Those security reasons, all the companies follow the proxy setup. So in the IntelliJ, if you go file and then settings, you can search proxy. So here you can open the HTTP proxy and select the Maven proxy. These proxy information you can get from your company, maybe from your colleague, or it may be available in any Confluence page. So take the information and provide your host name and then port number and then click OK. So once you do that, you can go to the plugin and see whether you're able to get any dependency from your marketplace. So by default, if you don't have proxy connection, the plugin information won't be shown here. It will be empty until unless you do the proxy setup. You can't see any information here. Once it's completed, you can see the dependencies which will be downloaded from the internet. So next, one more proxy setup we have to do for the Maven build. So for that we require settings.xml file. So in the internet you can search settings.xml template. There are some complete file, we can get it from website. Yeah, you can take this file and put it into your notebook and provide your credentials related to your company. That's for your company. For example, here you must provide what is your username, what is your password. If you have any private key, that you can provide. Most of the company have they have their own server details. That information we must provide. So like this, you have to prepare your settings.xml file and save this file under M2 directory. M2 directory is by default, the Maven is pointing to that directory to download all your dependencies from internet into your local system. So let me save this file. So by default, it will be available under your computer. And then here you can see users. Under that you can see your username. Under that .m2 file will be created by default, and then here you can store settings.xml and then change it to all files and save it. Once you save it, here you can come and search for, else you can go here and select settings. So here you can see user settings file. In case if you want to override all the configurations of the proxy information, just override so that the proxy information will be used for connecting and downloading the dependencies. Maybe if you have a different folder, that time just override and choose that file which is available in some other folders. And then once you select it, give OK, and then click the refresh button so that it will download the dependencies from your repositories. Yeah, that's all for the proxy setup. One is for IntelliJ, another one is for Maven. So if you have any questions, please leave that in the comment section. Thank you.